Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Geidily. Today I wanted to bring you guys a little something different. I'm gonna be doing a product review. I got this avocado cream from Alikay Naturals. It was very expensive. It was $16. Alikay Naturals has amazing products. I hear great things about this repairing mask, and I need it because my hair needs to be repaired. This is actually gonna be my very first time trying this avocado cream. I love avocados, as I've said in my last videos. They're very moisturizing, and I just hope that this will do wonders to my hair. So let's try it. So this avocado cream actually has avocado oil, which penetrates hair to lubricate and improve elasticity and reduce breakage, which I really need because I've been experiencing protein overload, and that makes your hair break, like literally strands break midway. So I'm hoping that this will do some powerful repairing for my hair. And it also has peppermint oil. Peppermint oil stimulates the hair follicles to grow and to promote healthier hair. Again, something I need. And it has burdock root, and burdock root basically reduces hair loss and relieves scalp irritation. So far it sounds amazing. The way I'm going to be putting this on today, as it says in the directions, is I'm going to wet my hair completely, and then I'm going to divide it into 4 sections or 2 sections, probably 2. I barely have hair, y'all. And I'm going to finger detangle and focusing on the ends. So one of the things that they say in the directions is to make sure that you focus on the ends and then thoroughly work your way up to the roots. And then we cover with a plastic conditioning cap, which I don't have, so I will be using a plastic bag. And I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes without heat. You can also sit under a hooded dryer for 20 minutes, and that would really like penetrate your scalp. Like that would penetrate your hair follicles. That would be really great, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna leave it on for 30 minutes and hope that it will be just as good. And then after that, we rinse it and we'll style as usual. So let's see what kind of magic Alikay brings to our lives and our hair. Alrighty. Well, I washed my hair. Now let's get a little bit more drenched because I want the mask to really really penetrate my hair. So you want to make sure that your hair is really wet. And let's see. I'm so excited. Okay. It literally smells like pure bubblegum. Oh my goodness. Like it literally smells amazing. Alright, now let's divide our hair into sections. I'm probably just gonna do 2 sections because my hair is super small, super thin. So there's really no point in doing much. I'm doing 4 sections, right? So let's get this drenched. The consistency is like, it's not thick, but it's not thin. It's like right in the middle, which I kind of like. Oh, okay. So like they said, start from the ends and work your way up. Put a little bit more. It has like a, I'm not sure if those are seeds, but it's like you ever felt a scrub, like a scrub mask, and it has like sugar, it feels a little bit like that, like it has some of that. Not sure what that will do, but it doesn't feel bad. It goes on very smoothly and it really does feel good. Okay, let's do the other side. And these are the results after I put on my curling cream as well as the leave-in and the oil, and after I styled my hair. Again, I really loved that mask. I loved how it made my hair feel immediately. The smell and the scrubbing feeling were amazing. I would totally recommend it. I'd give it like maybe like a 9 out of 10, only because I wish that it was a little bit more moisturizing. But at the end of the day, it was more of a repairing mask. So if it did repair my hair, I mean, it feels nice, feels bouncy, feels flowy, and it feels soft, but maybe a little bit more of a moisture driven. But either way, I love it, totally recommend it. It's a little bit more on the expensive end, but regardless, it's a really great mask. Make sure you comment down below what other types of products you guys want me to review or to try for you all. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and hit that bell button to get more notifications on my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching.